Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, a very happy Dashera to all of you. I will hardly take around 2 to 3 minutes because I really want to convey a very important message. As this is your festival, I definitely want you all to enjoy with your family. If I talk about Dashera guys, I just want to say this saying, बुराई को आग लगाओ, अच्छाई को अपनाओ और खुशियाँ बांटो. That basically means remove all negativity from your life, do good things in your life, always be truthful to yourself, truthful with others. I know in this world of negativity, competition, jealousy, many more things are there in our life, in your office place, in your workplace, in your day-to-day activities, with your friends, with your enemies. What Dasera specifies to you is that at the end of the day, the truth wins. And I feel many people have forgotten this. Again, I just want to stress on one point. Please bring positivity in your life. Please bring positivity in others' life also if you can. Always try to do the right thing. I know many people do not do the right thing. There may be multiple things, multiple factors that may be affecting them to do the right things. It is always good and better because at the end of the day, the good deed that you specifically do wins everybody's heart in this world. I know right now, if I'm speaking about this word, many people may not agree with me. I've spent more than 13 plus years in my IT company, right? I've seen each and everything. Basically in IT company, I've worked in multiple places with respect to work, with respect to multiple things within our friends group. I've seen jealousy, I've seen hate, I've seen good deeds, I've seen everything. But at the end of the day, from all this experience, what I feel is that when you do good, when you're truthful to yourself, when you're truthful to others, at the end of the day, it is always beneficial for you. So this is what Dashera all signifies in our life itself. Again, guys, I really want to stress on this specific point. Burai ko hatao. Remove all the negativity in your life. Try to be truthful. Try to bring that positiveness. By that, everybody around you will always be happy. So yes, I did not want to take much time, but there are a lot of free things that I'm actually giving in my YouTube channel or everything with respect to this, just to start this positivity. You can also share this message with everyone. Go ahead and tell your friends something good about them. I know you may be having some enemies. It's okay. Love your enemies. At the end of the day, they are human being. The thought process that goes in their mind because of something. It may be something, right? At the end of the day, we are all brothers out there living in this beautiful earth, and we should definitely help out each other. So considering this, I'm just starting this positivity message to everyone. All the free content with respect to data science will be available in the description, along with the written materials, along with the videos, everything as such. Again, guys, don't study today. At least enjoy this day with your family and friends. This is the festival this month, then Diwali and many more things. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.